So are buyers walking through your home but not making any offers? It might not be what you think. In this video, I'm going to break down the 4 biggest reasons why buyers might actually hate your home, and more importantly, how you can fix them to get it sold. So, whenever we think about selling a home, it's easy to focus on the obvious stuff like location, size, and features. But here's the real kicker. What makes or breaks a sale often comes down to something much deeper within us all, and that is a home's emotional appeal. Think about it. When you walk into any house, it's not just walls and furniture. You get a feeling, and if that feeling's off, you're out the door. So as agents, it's our job to help you create that emotional, instant connection that makes buyers fall in love with your home. We want them to walk in and instantly say, "This is the one." Look, after 20 years in real estate, I've seen firsthand how tapping into this emotional connection is often the difference between a quick sale and a home that just sits on the market. So why do buyers end up hating certain homes? First off, poor presentation. I'm talking cluttered, messy homes that just feel uninviting. It's really tough for buyers to imagine themselves living in a space if it looks cramped or full of chaos. Second, outdated decor. And I mean those avocado green appliances, floral wallpaper from the 80s, or old wooden cabinets that make buyers cringe. These things may seem cosmetic, but they act like a wall between your home and the buyer's imagination. Third, over-personalization. We're all proud of our family photos and quirky doll collections, but for buyers, too much personalization makes it hard to see the home as theirs, which is our goal. Finally, what's the overall vibe of the space? Does it feel bright and open, or does it feel dark and small? Oh, and if you're thinking about selling your home and want even more insider tips, I've got a free ebook for you. It's packed with valuable advice to help you sell faster and for more money. Just click the link below to grab your copy, no strings attached. Now let's talk about fixing these emotional triggers. When it comes to clutter, it's all about simplicity. Clear out anything and everything you don't need. Organize the essentials and leave enough open space to make the home feel airy and calm. With personal items, we need to strike a balance. Keep the decor neutral and inviting, but avoid making it feel like someone else's life is on display. And another big one, unpleasant odors. If buyers walk in and the first thing they smell is last night's dinner or the family pet, they're going to have a hard time moving past that. A deep, thorough cleaning, some air fresheners, or even opening some windows and letting fresh air in can do wonders to neutralize the space. Here's the real magic. Buyers aren't just buying a house, they're buying a feeling. They want to feel like they found a place they can call home. Sometimes just a fresh coat of paint, some new light fixtures, or rearranging the furniture to make a space feel open and welcoming can create that emotional connection. These small changes may seem minor, but they can completely change the way buyers experience your home. And listen, I get it. Prepping your home for sale can feel overwhelming and like a lot of work. I've worked with hundreds of sellers who initially thought they needed to spend tens of thousands of dollars just to get their home market ready. But here's the truth. It's not about throwing a ton of money into renovations. It's about making smart improvements that really move the needle and give you the most bang for your buck. That's why I like our Compass Concierge program, which is a game changer for many people. It's where we can front the money for staging, repairs, and upgrades that have a high return on investment, interest-free, and you don't pay until the home sells. If that sounds interesting, shoot me a message and I'll share more about how it works. At the end of the day, emotional appeal is what separates a house from a home. It's what makes buyers fall in love, and ultimately, it's what gets the offer on the table. By making simple fixes and focusing on creating that welcoming atmosphere, you can transform a home that buyers might have otherwise hated into one they can't stop thinking about. Now remember, selling a home is about so much more than just the physical space. It's about that feeling the space creates. So take some time to consider the emotional triggers in your home and watch as those first impressions turn into serious interest. Let me ask you, have you ever walked into a home and felt something was just off? Let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for more tips to get your home sold fast, check out my other videos. I'll see you in the next one.
Hey guys, for more content similar to this, smash that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.